Good afternoon, middle school students. It's Mr. Storms. It is the 9th of April. It is our 19th day out of school due to the coronavirus. And everyone, today is our last day of doing 2 activities in our A emergency classroom and 2 activities in our B emergency classroom. Today is your last day of doing 2 in each. So like I said yesterday, tomorrow your job is, you have one job and only one job to do. You're going to send an email to one of the teachers or adults in the building. You can send me an email, send your teachers an email, it doesn't matter, to let us know what plans you have that it might be exciting, even though we're all under quarantine here. Or I guess not under quarantine, but we all have to stay home. That you're going to be doing over the weekend. That one email, and then you've got the weekend off. So you don't have to do any emergency classroom tomorrow. You don't have to do anything in your A or your B. But tomorrow you do have to send that one email. Just so we're all aware that the following week, the 13th through the 17th, middle school students will return to their emergency A classroom for 1 week. And you're going to do 1 activity a day. And they're actually kind of fun activities that I've seen the teachers put in there. So that's what we're going to do. Today's the end of the 3rd quarter, so there's no more grades going in for the 3rd quarter. We're going to be moving on to our 4th quarter, and we're going to be moving on to the 4th quarter on the 20th of April. So make sure you share with your friends the different ways in which they should be checking their email and getting my message, or going to my YouTube channel to get the daily message, because I'm going to start doing my messages in the morning on the 20th, so you know what classes you need to do, because we're going to be switching. I hope everyone has a great weekend and you have a little bit of time to relax. And again, set your phones to have an alarm that tells you to check your email. So tomorrow I'll be looking for those emails. Have a great weekend.